Hello, woodworkers and carpenters. Welcome to Woodworking Zone. And also welcome to the ultimate woodworking guide. All in one video. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, I'm packing years of woodworking wisdom into a few minutes. Let's get started. 1. Wood basics. First up, wood types. Hardwoods like oak and maple are great for durability. Softwoods like pine are easier to work with but less durable. And don't forget plywood for budget-friendly projects. 2. Essential tools. Every woodworker needs the basics. A good saw for cutting, a drill for precision, clamps to hold things steady, and a sander for that smooth finish. Start simple and upgrade as you grow. 3. Joinery techniques. Next, learn to join wood. Pocket holes are quick, dovetails are classic, and mortise and tenon joints are super strong. Practice these and watch your projects transform. 4. Safety first. Safety matters. Always wear goggles, gloves, and ear protection. A safe woodworker is a happy woodworker. 5. Wood finishing. Don't forget finishing. Stains enhance the natural look, and clear coats protect your work. Pro tip: sand between coats for a professional-grade finish. 6. Pro tips for efficiency. Want to save time? Measure twice, cut once. Use jigs for repetitive tasks, and always keep your workspace organized. 7. Selling your projects. Turn your passion into profit. Start with small, easy-to-sell items like cutting boards or picture frames. Market on social media or at local craft fairs. And there you have it. Full woodworking knowledge in one video. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Now go out there and make something amazing. See you in the next video.